Hello, I'm Ben Johnson, a Design Education Fellow here at NuVu. Today, we're going to work on our sketching and drawing skills, but in a very particular way. We're going to ask students to draw a mental map of their school's neighborhood in their mind's eye and translate that vision onto paper. But rather than sketching on a fixed object in front of them, students will have the opportunity to imagine their city as they see it, focus on the elements that are important to them, and sketch their visions to share with others. Sketching and drawing can be a daunting part of the design process for students. They often think of these skills in terms of how talented they are as artists. But at NuVu, we always stress that sketching is a form of visual communication. We are using representations of our ideas to explain them to others. In this design dash, students will visualize their neighborhood around their school in their mind's eye. They'll picture themselves navigating through their neighborhood, noting pathways and landmarks, and sites of personal experience along the way. In the end, these envisionings will come together as a collective representation of the school's neighborhood, their very own mental map. It's time to sketch! Spread one very large piece of paper on the floor or tables and supply students with pencils or any other drawing tools. Have students start by marking the school near its center and then build out from there. Some students will be more interested in accurately representing roads, shops, and other concrete details. Others will tend to have more qualitative and experiential contributions. It's all great! The more the map is filled in, the better. The final result of this project will be a large-scale drawing. It can be exciting for it to be hung up and for the students to reflect on the exercise of collaborating on the drawing, if there's time. A teacher might ask what the student notices about the types of information represented or about individual voices being noticeable within a collaborative design team. Seeing the world from someone else's perspective builds empathy and understanding. Everyone is going to have a different view of the world around them, but they can all come together to make one amazing mental map. So, this design dash works for all ages in middle school and high school, and you'll get higher fidelity sketches as the students mature. We hope you enjoyed this project with your students, and don't forget to share your class's projects and designs with us. You can email them to us or tag us at NuVuX on Instagram or Facebook. See you next time.